Hey Core Bears, today we're going to play a game that some of you may have heard of before, some of you may not have heard of before. Either way, it is okay, and we're going to put our own little PE twist on this game to make it fit what we're working on in PE right now, which is locomotor skills. The name of the game is called Simon Says. Now, like I said, maybe some of you have heard of this game before. If you haven't, no big deal, we're going to work it out together. So how this game works is you need at least 2 people to play. If you have more than 2, that's okay, but you need at least 2. One person is going to be Simon. Simon is the person who is giving the commands. They are telling the other person what they should be doing to stay in the game. The other person, who is not Simon, they are going to be the person listening to Simon and doing what Simon asks. Okay? Now, let's start with Simon. What Simon is going to do is they're going to start giving commands to the other person. Now, Simon, before they give a command, they have to say, Simon says, and then they would give a command. All right? So, in our version, the PE version, we're going to say that Simon can only tell you to do locomotor skills. So, for example, if I'm Simon right now, I would say, Simon says, walking. And then the other person would start walking around their yard or their basement or wherever they have a lot of space. Then, after a few seconds, Simon might say, Simon says skip, and that person would start skipping around. Simon says gallop. Simon says run. Simon says hop. Simon says jump. We went over 9 locomotor skills in PE, but you can also add in your own, ones that we did not practice in PE, such as Simon says walk backwards. All right? Simon says march like you're in a marching band. Okay? There's many, many more locomotor skills that we did not talk about in PE. So Simon is giving commands, but they're giving commands of locomotor skills. Simon says walk. Simon says march like you're in a band. Simon says gallop. All right? And the other person, or the other 2 or 3 or 4 people who are playing, they're going to be out in the yard. They're going to be doing those things. But they are only going to do the things that Simon tells them to after Simon says do it. So for example, if they say Simon says walk, that person would start walking. If Simon says run, you would start running. But here's the trick. If Simon does not say the words Simon says, you should not do that thing. Watch this for an example. Simon says walk, you would start walking. Simon says skip, you would start skipping. Run. You do not want to run because Simon did not say the words Simon says. That person has to say Simon says first. Now, if you're playing the game and you're listening and Simon says walk, and you're walking. Simon says run, and you're running. Gallop, and you start galloping. Simon wins. And then at that point, you would switch places, or if you had several people playing the game, you would step out and let the other people continue playing. All right? Now remember that we're just using locomotor skills. So Simon's telling you to do all those different locomotor skills, but this game is also about listening, and you're listening for the words Simon says before you do that command. All right? Another way that you can actually get out in this game is if you don't do the correct locomotor skill. So if Simon says run, and you start galloping, that's not doing the right locomotor skill. Even though Simon says, if you're doing the wrong locomotor skill, you would be out of the game or you would switch places with Simon. All right? If you're playing with just 2 people, the goal is to try to stay in as long as you possibly can. If you're playing with 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or a million people, hopefully not a million, the goal is to try to be the last one still in the game. So let's say you're playing with your family and there's 5 of you. Simon is one person, and then the other 4 would all be playing the game. You're trying to be the last person still in the game. All right? Good luck with those locomotor skills. Remember the 9 that we've talked about so far? Walking, running, jogging, skipping, galloping, hopping, jumping, leaping, and shuffling, or sliding we also call that. Okay? Good luck, have fun, and I will see you soon.